Hello guys, so previously we have learned about the present tense, and now today we are going to learn about the past tense and its subdivisions. So as you can see, there are four parts or subdivisions of the past tense: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Today we are going to first start off with the simple past tense. In order to solve the simple past tense, first you need to learn the V2 forms. What are the V2 forms? On the left hand side of the video you can see the present forms of the verbs, that is what is happening right now. See, like, draw, read, laugh, all of it is in the present form. And on the right hand side of the video you can see the past forms or the V2 forms, like saw, liked, drew, read, laughed, taught. Similarly, I'm going to provide you a list. You have to learn from that, and then it will be really easy for you to solve the simple past tense. Now, for example, like there's a sentence, Nana drinks water. What would be the past form? We have to find the verb at first. So what is the verb here? Drink. What would be the past? Nana drank water. The drank would be the past form of the verb drinks. Now similarly, this is a sentence and you are going to solve it so that you can understand whether you have completely understood it or not before moving on to the next part of the video. Devika and Ronit return home. You have to find the verb and you have to make it in the past tense. The next part that we are going to learn about is the past continuous tense. So what is past continuous tense? First we need to understand the subject or what we are talking about, subject or subjects. On that it would be depending whether we are going to use a was would be for singular and where would be for the plural form of the subject. Then we are going to add the verb and an ing. Suppose Nana drinks water was in the past tense. So what would be the past? Is in the present tense. So what would be the past? Nana drank water. That would be in the past. What would be the past continuous form? Nana, she's a girl. So was. Nana was. Drink. This will be drinking water. So whatever form it is given, we are never going to see this form. We are going to do this. We are going to take the present form and an ing to it. That would be the past continuous form. Similarly, I am reading the Sherlock Holmes and you are going to solve these two. We'll discuss it in the next video, how it would be happening. The next part is the past perfect tense. For past perfect tense and for simple for present perfect tense, whatever it was, I have told you before only that you need to learn the V3 form of the verb. So what is the V3 form? The past participle form of the verb. Again, a list would be provided. You have to just learn it and then you can do it. So whatever the subject would be, we have to add a had to it and then the V3 form of the verb. Suppose Mary draws a cartoon figure. It is in the present tense. What would be the present continuous form? Mary is drawing a cartoon figure. What would be the past tense of it? Mary drew a cartoon figure. The past continuous form? Mary was drawing a cartoon figure. What would be the past perfect tense? The one that we are doing. First, can we say what is the present perfect tense? Mary has drawn a cartoon figure. That would be the present perfect tense. And what would be the past? Mary had. So the has will become had. Mary had drawn a cartoon figure. See, that's how we would be solving it. The final part is the past perfect continuous tense. For that we have to again look for the subject, add a had to it, a been to it, and then the present form of the verb along with an ing. Now we are not going to use the V3 form, we are going to use the V1 form. So Neha sees a cat. What would be the past perfect continuous? Neha had been seeing a cat. So see, Neha had been seeing a cat. So whatever is given here, if it is a past tense, we are going to transform it into a present tense and then we are going to do the tenses. This is your homework. All of the forms that you have learned till now, you're going to solve it and then we are going to discuss it in the next video. Thank you.